everybody. So today we're gonna be smoking the taillights, and it's a bunch of crap we gotta take apart to get them out. We gotta take this piece out, goes right here, then both quarter panel, inside quarter panel pieces, and then the bolts are behind them. So let's get to work. And on the trunk, we have to take out this cover, and we're also going to be painting the chrome black.
Never gonna give you up, I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up, I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up, never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up, never gonna give, never gonna give.
Cover, you can pop that out. And then you can slide the whole quarter panel cover out. So we got one 8mm, second, and the third one is back here. See it right there. This bar is in the way, so can't get with a socket. So you got to do it with a wrench.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control.
And there you have it.
Over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all.
Now we do the trunk taillights. So in order to take the taillight out, you have to take out this whole bottom portion of the trunk lid out, because it goes under the cover there.
Take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all.
take the chrome piece off. It's got 1, 2, 3 screws, so we can paint that black. And the chrome piece just pops right out. So now we gotta sand everything and get it ready to paint. So what we're gonna do with the tail lights here is tape it off like this and smoke this part darker and this one just a little bit like on the headlights. Should look pretty good. I use scuff pad. Done. And we're also gonna spray adhesion promoter so the paint sticks. Everything is sanded and taped up. We're about to paint it.